Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the latest benefits of Fazaa Card in the UAE and how this loyalty program can help you save money in 2026. So the Fazaa Card is a discount and loyalty program that gives you access to the special deals across thousands of businesses in the UAE. With this membership, you can receive savings at tons of thousands of partner stores and services, helping you reduce everyday expenses. Now, one of the biggest benefits that you can get is shipping and grocery discounts. With the Fazaa card, you can access reduced price on many products and brands across retail stores and supermarkets. This can help you save money on everyday items that you buy regularly. Another major benefit is dining discounts. When you visit to the participating restaurants, cafes, or food outlets, you can show your Fazaa card and then you can receive special offers or discounted prices on meals. The card also gives you travel and hotel deals. With Fazaa memberships, you can get lower prices on the hotel bookings, travel packages, including discounts at many well known hotels around the world. This is especially helpful when you plan holidays or family trips. You can also enjoy entertainment discounts. With your Fazaa cards, you can reduce the prices on the theme parks, attractions, cinema tickets, and other leisure activities across the UAE. Another important benefit is healthcare savings. Some hospitals, clinics, and medical centers offer special discounts on the consultations, treatments, and healthcare services when you use your Fazaa membership. The card can also help you save money on the transportation and card services. You may find offer on the card rentals, vehicle services, and certain transport options. To use these benefits, you simply show your Fazaa card at participating locations. You can either present the physical card or you can open the digital card inside the Fazaa application on your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.